Hello, I am Rashmi Kotharkar. Today I am going to explain about the for loops in Java programming. Loops in a Java programming. We see the different types of loops available in Java. In Java, for loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. If the number of iterations is fixed, then it is recommended to use the for loop. So there are three types of loops in Java programming. So first one is the simple for loop. Then second one is the for each or enhanced for loop. Then third one is the labeled for loop. So first of all, we see about the Java simple for loop. So in Java simple for loop, a simple for loop is the same as the C or C++. It means we cannot initialize the variable, check condition, and increment and decrement value. And it consists of the four parts. First one is the initialization, second one is the condition, then third one is the increment and decrement, and fourth one is the statement. So we will see about these four statements. Okay, so first one is the initialization. Initialization, it is initial condition in which is executed once when the for loop start. Here we can initialize the variable, or we can use an already initialized variable, and it is a optional condition. Then next one is the condition. In condition, it is a second condition which is execute each times to test the condition for the loop, and it continues execution until the condition is false, and it must be return a boolean value either true or false. It is an optional condition. Then next one is the increment or decrement. So in increment and decrement, it increments or decrements the variable value, and it is a optional condition. And in fourth statement, the statement of the loop is executed each times until the second condition is false. So this is the fourth statement. Then we will see about the syntax. First of all, we see about the for loop syntax. So in a for loop, we take the initialization, condition, and increment and decrement. Then we take a statement or a code to be executed. So this is the syntax of the for loop. Next, we will see about the do while loop. In do while loop in Java, do while loop is used to iterate a part of the program rapidly until the specification condition is true. If the number of iteration is not fixed, and you must have to execute the loop at least once, and it recommended to use a do while loop. In a Java, do while loop is called an exist control loop. Therefore, unlike while loop and for loop, the do while loop check the condition at the end of the loop body. The Java do while loop is executed at least once because the condition is checked after the loop body. Then we will see the syntax of the do while loop. First of all, we take a do. Then in curly bracket we take a code to be executed, or the loop body. Then we take a curly bracket close, and then we take a while loop. In a while loop we take a condition. So that is the syntax of the do while loop. So this all about the looping statement in Java programming. Thank you.